What is the first step to start a YouTube channel?
The first step is to create a Google account and set up your YouTube channel.
How can someone choose a niche for their channel?
They should choose a niche they are passionate about and knowledgeable in.
What makes a good YouTube channel name?
A good channel name is short, memorable, and easy to spell.
How important is a channel logo?
A channel logo is important because it creates a professional and recognizable identity.
What should the channel description include?
The channel description should explain what the channel is about and who it helps.
How often should a beginner post videos?
A beginner should post at least once a week to stay consistent.
What kind of content attracts more viewers?
Content that entertains, educates, or solves problems attracts more viewers.
How can someone design a YouTube banner?
They can use free tools like Canva to create a professional-looking banner.
Why is consistency important on YouTube?
Consistency builds audience trust and helps grow the channel faster.
How should someone plan their video ideas?
They should keep a list of ideas and plan topics based on their audience's needs.
What equipment does a beginner need?
A beginner only needs a smartphone, good lighting, and clear audio.
How can lighting improve video quality?
Proper lighting makes the video look bright, clear, and professional.
How can someone record clear audio?
Using an external microphone helps record clear and noise-free sound.
Why should creators use thumbnails?
Thumbnails attract clicks and make videos stand out in search results.
How can someone make eye-catching thumbnails?
They can use bright colors, big text, and clear images of faces.
Why is video editing important?
Editing makes videos more engaging and helps remove mistakes or boring parts.
What are some good video editing tools for beginners?
Tools like CapCut, Filmora, or Adobe Premiere Rush are good for beginners.
How long should a YouTube video be?
Videos should be long enough to deliver value, usually between 5 to 10 minutes.
How can someone write a catchy video title?
They should use clear, emotional, and keyword-rich phrases in the title.
Why are video keywords important?
Keywords help YouTube understand the video and show it to the right audience.
How can someone find the best keywords?
They can use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to research popular keywords.
Why should creators add tags to their videos?
Tags help YouTube know the video's topic and improve visibility.
What should be written in the video description?
The description should include keywords, video details, and useful links.
How can someone use timestamps?
Timestamps help viewers navigate the video easily and increase watch time.
Why is a channel trailer useful?
A channel trailer introduces new visitors to your content and purpose.
How can creators encourage viewers to subscribe?
They can ask politely at the start and end of the video.
What does YouTube Analytics show?
Analytics show data about views, watch time, audience, and performance.
How can analytics help a new YouTuber?
Analytics help understand what content works best and what needs improvement.
How can someone increase watch time?
By making engaging videos that keep viewers interested till the end.
Why is audience retention important?
High retention tells YouTube the video is valuable and boosts recommendations.
How can a YouTuber create engaging intros?
By keeping intros short, interesting, and directly related to the video topic.
What makes a good outro?
A good outro includes a call to action like subscribing or watching another video.
How can collaboration help a channel grow?
Collaborating exposes your channel to another creator's audience.
Why should someone respond to comments?
Responding builds community and makes viewers feel appreciated.
How can creators promote videos on social media?
They can share video links on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp groups.
Why is sharing videos important?
Sharing increases exposure and attracts more potential subscribers.
How can someone create a posting schedule?
They can decide specific days and times to upload new videos regularly.
Why should a YouTuber have a niche?
A niche helps attract a loyal audience interested in a specific topic.
What are trending topics on YouTube?
Trending topics are subjects currently popular and widely searched.
How can someone find trending topics?
They can use Google Trends or check YouTube's trending section.
Why should a creator use playlists?
Playlists help organize videos and increase watch time by autoplaying content.
How can a beginner make their first video?
They should start with a simple topic and focus on clear speaking and editing.
Why is storytelling effective in videos?
Storytelling makes content relatable and keeps the audience emotionally engaged.
How can someone improve their camera confidence?
By practicing speaking in front of the camera regularly.
Why is it important to focus on quality over quantity?
High-quality videos attract loyal viewers and build trust.
How can a YouTuber make their channel unique?
By adding their personal style, tone, and creativity to every video.
Why should creators learn SEO?
SEO helps videos appear higher in YouTube search results.
How can someone learn YouTube SEO basics?
They can watch tutorials and practice keyword optimization.
Why do some channels grow faster than others?
Channels that post valuable and consistent content grow faster.
How can someone make their first 100 subscribers?
By promoting videos among friends and creating useful content.
Why is a good thumbnail CTR important?
A high click-through rate means more people are watching your videos.
How can creators improve their CTR?
By testing different thumbnail designs and titles.
What should a creator avoid doing?
They should avoid copying others and using clickbait titles.
How can a YouTuber build trust?
By being honest, consistent, and delivering real value.
Why should someone join YouTube communities?
Communities help with networking and learning from other creators.
How can creators make money on YouTube?
They can earn through ads, sponsorships, and channel memberships.
What is YouTube monetization?
Monetization means earning money from ads shown on your videos.
How many subscribers are needed for monetization?
You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year.
How can someone increase watch hours?
By uploading longer, more engaging videos that people enjoy watching.
Why should creators use analytics reports?
Reports show what's working and help plan future videos effectively.
How can someone improve video quality on a budget?
They can use natural light and free editing software to enhance videos.
Why is audience feedback valuable?
Feedback helps creators understand what the audience likes or dislikes.